Okay, today we're going to talk about one of our biggest questions that we get is, can I fix my motor or do I have to replace it? Which is a great question and we want to help address it. So I have a couple of different motors in here. Most of the motors, if it's not the exact same as this one, it's going to be similar to this. So the principles are the same, but we just want to help you understand. So this is kind of a basic chair motor. This is what it looks like here. And a couple of different failure points on this motor. So this right here is this plastic block. It slides up and down the motor and moves, and that's what's going to control the recline mechanism. If this plastic block has broken on your motor, you have to replace the motor. We can't just replace this plastic block here. It has to be replaced, the entire motor. So when we say an entire motor, it actually comes with the motor and the actuator. So if you were to break this piece right here and you ordered a new motor, you're gonna get this entire motor. So everything you need to replace it. So again, I'm gonna show you another version of what it looks like. So this is a silver and black one. Same idea. If this block is broken on one side and it's come off, this is what moves the whole recliner. So a couple of different things. If it's broken, it's probably because there's something in the mechanism or in the recliner. Either something got stuck in front of the footrest and you kept going and pushed too hard and this broke off and snapped. It is made of plastic. But anyway, if this breaks, that needs to be fixed. Back here, sometimes this part breaks. This is where the clevis pin goes and attaches to the chair. If one of these breaks as well, again, we're gonna have to replace the motor and fix all of that. If you snapped or you've cut these cables, so sometimes a dog gets in there, a cat gets in there, or these get stuck in the mechanism. If this gets cut, again, we have to replace the motor. So most importantly, if you have broken your motor and you need a new one, the easiest thing to do is if you can get us a whole picture of this, specifically this label on here and the connections on your motor, we can find out exactly what motor you need to get it replaced and know exactly what to fix. Last but not least, there's a different kind of motor that looks a little bit like this. This is usually in a lift chair, but this is a lift chair motor. One of the failure points on this motor is this end piece. Now, this end piece is made out of steel, sometimes aluminum, sometimes plastic, but if this end unit piece that holds a clevis pin in here also breaks, you have to replace the motor. You can't just replace the shaft. You can't replace this. It needs to be replaced. So again, get us a picture of the label, get us a picture of the whole motor, the connections, so that we know exactly what motor you need to replace. We keep most of our motors in stock and can ship them out same day. So get us the information that you need. We'd be happy to help you get that motor replaced.